Echo, abeg o make una no vex. Na matter carry me come. Seriously, e don late this side, but sleep no fit catch me. You know why? Because Nigeria matter just dey hit my head like bomb. I just dey read many people wey dey say dey donate thousands of naira, millions of naira, sorry to say, for this matter wey dey ground so, like the coronavirus thing. And the big men are really donating some huge amount of money, while the poor ones are dying of hunger. They say they want lockdown everywhere. I know say make they no lockdown everywhere, but make they reason on this side. Say if they lock down everywhere as they are doing already, how are they going to survive? As in those people that are doing businesses, those people that depends on their daily works and on their daily life businesses, maybe small businesses they are doing, and you people are busy donating that huge amount of money. Are we really for real? Like seriously? Okay, make una no vex. We have 36 states in Nigeria, as in 36 states that make up Nigeria. You understand? And every state has a millionaire or a billionaire there. Why not you people donating those huge amount of money to those thieves in Aso Rock? Why not use that money to help those people who cannot afford money to chop? Wait, to me una just understand say if una keep them for house without food, if corona kill them, hunger go kill them. So may we just use our brain sharp. Go to your state, go donate that money, give them. I think it will do them more good than when they donate and they give all those G-men with their Aso Rock, those criminals. Money where they go bank for America, go bank for Switzerland and other European continent and America. You go do solve all those coronavirus where they Nigeria. Okay, let's say una say make they go house. Maybe for their house so they get 500,000 naira wey they save. So you think say 500,000 naira go last them for 1 month? E go last. This one na they call monkey dey walk, babu dey chop. If una want help now, make una go village go help them. Una think say na only them wey dey township go dey hear am. Even their people down villages, they need to stock food for house too. Okay, I see the governor of River State say if they no get money, where go they go take stock food for house, make they buy basin of garri and a packet of sugar, make they soak am. Ogu wey go kill una, you know even na made in China na go kill una. You never dey market. So na garri they go dey soak akwa. Chineke bondi on. Okwa garri na they go dey soak. Okay, I reserve my comment. I beg, my dear fellow rich men, because I won't count myself join. My dear fellow rich men, if una want help, I beg may we go to our origin, go help. If you be from Anambra, I beg go Anambra, go your town, go help them. You understand? Locking down shop no go solve this problem, because not say you go lock down their shop and they go house, go die. Some go commit suicide. Last year na suicide. This year too na suicide very hungry. I beg, make una go carry hunger put for the one wey dey inside already. Other country they help their what do they call citadini? Their citizens for other places. No only Nigeria. Now they go soak garri, drink. I saw this man, that man that used to give helping hands to those people in the street and all that, sharing a rice, tomatoes and some cash. That is the kind of money you guys need to be donating, not the ones donating. Or some of them sef na audio money, some no be real, some na fake, some na just to put my name in the list of the history. Maybe say I donate to when Nigeria dey get problem. Una no use us do political this year o. Una no just use our matter do political this year. E no go work. You understand? For that man wey dey act as our president, Bubu, abeg, I know say no be you dey there, but at least they put you to represent somebody now. They represent us very well, Kwame. No dey go dey fall our hand anywhere you waka go. No dey go anywhere dey fall our hand. Okay, we dey narrate say you never come give speech. Finally, you come give speech wey provoke the internet. Like seriously? Even nke agbagwoju amanya o. Oderokwa funny. Biko, una go back to no reach they donate. No una no dey donate, they give us rock. Because at the end of the day, they go convert them for dollar, for euro, for pounds, go back and for one country. Wetin dey pay me pass be say oji 3, Iroko 3 dey fall. Na the poor grasses, na then they suffer am. Na that one na dey provoke me, and I know they find am funny. Assuming say road dey, flight dey wey go fit carry our president and their caucus travel. They for don leave we the poor masses, may we die, may them too come obodo oyibo country theirself. If I dey say may God punish Koro, I dey still say God thank you for Koro, because if no be for Koro, our enemies for don wear pants dance azonto. So I won't quickly go see whether I go see sleep. I don't drop my message. Make our rich men go our villages, go they donate money, no be fast rock. And no be say you donate, you no go pay. This one no be bazaar stuff. This one na real business we dey so. So if you really want to help us, if it touches your heart, to help us, abeg, do it on a very, very good way. Wey be say everybody go benefit from it. My dear Dangote, now your cement now we they build almost all the house within Nigeria. So abeg, go to where you come from. At least if you give just 1/4 of your money, go shake you. Take help them. Locking down the shops and the road and blocking everywhere is not the solution. The solution is when they are in their houses, at least make they see food, they shop. Those people where they township, their parents too, they villages, and their parents is even expecting them to bring some food stuff for them. So I beg, make una help them. No come they knock or say may they shut down or Shanjaman market and Ariaba, or even what is it called, Alaba International Co. No be that one go solve this problem. May una find solution which start with food, because if food no kill, if coronavirus no kill me, food go kill me. What they call hunger go kill me. May una cuckoo and quietly do things on a very respectful way. No go carry money, they give people where they on top. No one each even as in they give people where say their back don't full. Okay, I think I have left my message. I have dropped my own opinion. Make I carry myself go find my bed. On a good night. Echo.